everything that you've done.
Role model ka rin sa Manamia. Tapos, kasi gagawa ng mabuti, tutularan ka ng iba.
Every day, parang I can be a hero. Parang it's parang helping the community. Parang every step of the way.
Being heroes, it's a great thing. Being a hero, everyone looks up to you. It's a great opportunity for everyone.
To be there for someone na kailangan ng help.
Just do good in your own way.
Hero is to be able to affect the lives of other people in a good way, in a simple way or in a great way. Like right now, we all need a hero, especially in our society, kasi life is getting harder. So being a hero in a simple way is already a big help.